Everybody, Frugal Farmer here. Grilling a little bit of dinner tonight. I love to cook on the grill. What I do with my baked potatoes, this is a regular white potato. I'll cook red potatoes on the grill, and I'll cook sweet potatoes on the grill and just bake them. I'll take and punch them a little bit with a knife, then I'll take and wrap them in foil. And sometimes you can do a twice baked potato, but once I wrap them in foil, I'll take and put a little piece of foil on top of them, like that. Give it a little hood, and it's going to blow away because of the wind, but once I put it back over it, it'll stay. But it'll keep the heat going at that potato instead of it rising up in your hood and all up in here. Sorry about the picture quality this night. But that'll help it cook more evenly. And this fired back up a little bit. This wind's picking up in North Carolina, and I'll be putting a steak on and a piece of pork. They marked the pork down, so you know what I did. I grabbed that, and I'll cook a little bit of both and season them up. Have a nice meal tonight. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.